Hello, here's your Montana Weather Hazards Briefing. For updates, please visit the NWS webpage or contact any of the Montana NWS offices. Here are the expected weather hazards for the next week. Very cold temperatures and wind chills will continue through Tuesday morning, especially for north central Montana, as well as parts of central, southwest, western, and northeast Montana. A weather system moves slowly across the region Tuesday through Thursday. Ahead of the system, gusty winds may cause blowing and drifting snow issues along the Chinook front from the northern Rocky Mountain front south to the Livingston and Big Timber areas. This will be followed by a cold frontal passage midweek that will result in temperatures plunging once again, with snow moving generally northwest to southeast across the state behind the cold front. Toward the Friday and the weekend, a similar system as the one midweek will cause similar weather issues, with gusty winds and some blowing and drifting snow ahead of the front, followed by plunging temperatures with snow. Check with your local weather forecast office for details on timing of each of these systems and impacts on your area of interest. Finally, we will be watching for the potential for ice jam flooding, with the cycle of freezing and some thawing occurring during the week. Here are the current hazards in effect for the region as of Sunday afternoon. Wind chill advisories are in effect through early Monday morning, but may need to be extended for parts of these areas, especially north central areas. Widespread wind chills of 20 below to 40 below zero can be expected in and near the advisory area. A flood watch continues for a possible ice jam for the Jefferson River near Twin Bridges, and a flood advisory continues for the Missouri River near Cascade. Here's a look at current snow depth and snow water equivalent across the region. Snow water equivalent is currently near normal to slightly above normal for this point in the season. Wind chills are expected to be below zero through the entire state Monday, with the greatest area of concern being north central, central, and southwestern parts of the state near and east of the Continental Divide. Some moderation of temperatures are expected for western areas Tuesday morning into Wednesday morning, but very cold wind chills can be expected, especially Tuesday morning across much of Montana along and east of the Continental Divide. Behind the weather system midweek that will bring snow to most areas, another blast of Arctic air will bring wind chills back below zero for much of the state, with parts of central, north central, and northeast Montana possibly dropping below 20 degrees below zero for wind chills. Here are the peak wind gusts forecasted for Tuesday morning through early Wednesday morning. Where wind gusts are above 20 to 25 miles per hour, there may be blowing and drifting snow issues that may cause limited visibility. Blizzard or near blizzard conditions cannot be totally ruled out along some parts of the Rocky Mountain front. Check back for more details as this event approaches. Temperatures in the 6 to 10 day period are expected to be below normal, with slightly better chances for above normal precipitation, maintaining the active weather period that has been in place for February to this point. The Week 2 outlook indicates a weather pattern that looks to remain active, with continued below normal temperatures and with slightly better than normal chances for above normal precipitation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, contact any of the 4 Montana NWS offices. We are available 24/7, 365. Have a great week.